Here we go. It is a lot of sugar though.
All right, what else we got here? Man, this is packed full of stuff.
Whoa.
Hey everybody, we're back with another unboxing video. This time we've got Mickey Monthly, and these guys have got a lot of really cool options available, and we chose the snack box here, the family size. So we've got a bunch of delicious things we're gonna be digging into here. Time to open this box. Let's see what's inside.
I'm hungry.
You guys know what time it is.
Snack time.
Snack time, all right.
Oh, what's that?
A world of thanks. Thank you. It's an honor to have such a magical new member with very big wishes. Mickey Monthly. Nice little card they included
Very nice.
here.
I like that. That's personal. What if we don't like the snack? Can we send it back? Get a new one?
Get a new snack.
Just kidding. There's nothing at Disney that isn't good.
All right, this is catching my eye here. Let's see what we got. Wonderland tea. All right, so we got luxury black tea. This is Alice in Wonderland themed here. Take a look at that. This looks delicious. We're gonna have to brew some of this. And
I'm so excited to try
a
this.
few drinks of this. This is coming up soon.
Woo.
See what else we got here. We've got some chocolate coins, milk chocolate coins.
Ooh.
Looks like we got Daisy, we got Minnie. I imagine that we got all the big five characters in there. This is great, all the Fab Five. All right, now we've got some gummy monkeys. It says monkeys, but there's hyenas on the front here.
Just to throw you off.
Just to throw you off.
What is? So it's just gummy,
naturally,
worm type things?
artificially flavored.
Naturally? Oh,
Yeah.
Naturally and artificially. Okay,
Right.
that's cool.
All right, I'm curious about these.
Those look tasty,
I
actually.
wonder if they're sour.
So good.
100 calories? That's awesome. For three gummies?
Because when you're thinking about healthy food, you go to Disneyland, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. All right. Oh, here we go. Main Street popcorn.
Hey, now we're talking. Hey.
This is the gold medal winner here. This is churro flavored popcorn. I don't think they could have sent us a better flavor, so I'm definitely excited for this one. Jacob's gonna run off with that before we get a chance to eat it. All right, what else we got here? Man, this is packed full of stuff.
Whoa.
This looks like maybe some mints.
Altoids?
Altoids, maybe? In a
Disney
cool
toys?
50th anniversary tin.
Yeah.
That's pretty nice looking. That's pretty. Peppermints on the back.
Okay,
That's what it says.
I was wrong. That's awesome.
And it looks like, we'll check it out in just a second here, but it looks like it might have the Mickey shaped pieces inside. All right.
That's cool.
Of course it's Mickey shaped though, everything is.
Everything's Mickey shaped, even mints.
All right, here's another winner. Milk chocolate peanuts.
Ooh.
Oh man, these things are hitting me right in the stomach right now. I'm dying to eat some of this stuff.
Looks amazing.
Take a look at that.
Woo. These are not Mickey shaped. These are
Peanut shaped.
peanut shaped. Milk chocolate shaped.
Man,
Wow, that's awesome.
And the fun just keeps coming. What do we got here? Minnie's Sweets graham cookies. All right. So Minnie Mouse shaped graham cracker treats.
Oh, my daughter would
These
love
look delicious. These look delicious. I'll pass those over
For all ages.
for all ages.
We can share.
One more big bag. Goofy's Candy Company. We got some taffy.
that. Oh, wow.
Oh man, lots of taffy in here. You flip over the back and you can take a look. There's all sorts of different flavors, but
Kind of looks like that, just that saltwater
this one looks
taffy.
fun.
I think you guys know what time it is.
All right, it's time to dig into this food. Tea time. Pinky out. Yeah? All right, now that we're fancy, we're trying some of this Wonderland tea. Let's find out if this is worth the wait.
That's good. That is really good.
It is a black tea. Luxury black tea. And that's it. Topsy-turvy blend.
It's also, if you take a look here, the unofficial, it is the official unbirthday tea. And what goes great with tea? How about,
Mini sweets.
let's get some of these mini sweets graham cookies. All right, grab a cookie.
Thank you, Brian.
Let's pass these around and find out.
I got Mickey.
Oh, I got Pluto.
I got the best.
I got two.
Got two.
Two?
Cheater. All right, that's all right. Goofy, do you want to show some of these off here? There's Goofy.
There's my Mickey.
Get those up close here.
That's better. Cover up Brian. No.
All right.
Oh boy, my name's Brian.
good.
Not too sweet. A little bit more like a cookie than a graham cracker. Very good though. Good accompaniment with this Wonderland tea.
More cookies, perhaps?
How about let's try some of these milk chocolate peanuts. Let's try some of
Seems
these.
pretty straightforward.
I mean, it's a chocolate covered peanut, but
Yeah,
it's got Mickey on it, so it's more magical.
that's true.
I'm kind of more a fan of a dark chocolate myself, but these are not overly sweet. It's not like
Yeah, it really isn't.
not like a Hershey's bar where it's not too much sugar.
Yeah.
These taste pretty good. This is the one I've been waiting for here. Churro flavored popcorn. Dig into that goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Smell like churros?
I don't know about churros, but it's definitely cinnamon and popcorn.
Oh, no, that's true. Oh,
Excuse me.
goodness.
This is a snack you want when you know you have an upcoming trip to get you very excited for Disney. Because this is delicious.
I was like,
Almost like, what is that? Like what's that cereal?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch?
Yeah,
Yeah, a little bit of a Cinnamon Toast Crunch type taste.
the taste you can see. Is that copyrighted? I'm gonna be sued for saying that.
Who wants to? Goofy.
I'll take a Donald.
Oh man, I was gonna take Donald. That's alright.
You take Donald. I'll take it. There's a lot of Goofies. I'll take Goofy.
I'll take a Daisy.
Got a Daisy,
Hey.
Minnie, Goofy, Pluto.
Gosh.
I'll take Minnie.
Minnie
I'm not
Mouse.
good at doing Goofy's voice.
Got
Okay. Kind of a pain to get this off though.
Donald Duck coin here.
Oh, my coin's broken.
Donald is my favorite of the Fab Five.
Oh, really? Oh, no. Goofy. Oh, there's no
7.
face on it, and it's just a plain coin.
7 years of bad luck.
Oh, no. Better eat it. It's like the chocolate coin you'd see on Halloween or...
Yeah, I am a little disappointed. There's no actual characters on the coins here. They're just blank chocolate coins. But
Yeah. There's probably a reason I didn't really bother buying these in the parks. But it is chocolate, and it's sweet, and it's delicious.
And it's not like fake chocolate. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? It actually tastes real,
Mhm.
creamy. And
Yeah.
it's like melting.
It's good.
Yeah, similar chocolate to the chocolate covered peanuts.
Who is this again? Who is the boxes?
This is Mickey Monthly.
Thank you, Mickey Monthly. You've now got me excited to buy this. Like, I'm gonna buy churros, but now I want to buy this.
Yep, this is
in the
something I
Disney
can see
parks.
myself buying at the park.
Seriously, or like when you're watching the parades or the fireworks at night. Good snack.
Sure, it's just something easy to snack on as you're walking around.
Yeah.
Or a perfect gift to bring back from the parks.
There you
Oh
go.
yeah, souvenir.
Or
This would make a great
coworker
souvenir.
Or a friend, family,
Yeah.
yourself.
This box in general would make like a good like gift to somebody. Especially it's like the ones that are upset that you're going to Disney and they're not. Send them this box. They'll forgive you.
We've got some gummy monkeys, which I'm not really convinced these are monkeys. They look like hyenas.
They're called gummy monkeys, but they're gummy hyenas. Now, quick trivia. Do you know the names of the 3 hyenas without looking it up?
Oh, Whoopi Goldberg.
No. The actual names.
Here, why don't you
I
take
don't
one of these?
remember. I feel like I should though.
Trying to figure out. Wait, is that one of the
I keep
7
smelling
dwarfs?
everything, but this smells really good. I don't know if I've even had.
Who is that? One of the 7 dwarfs?
They should be monkeys.
Upside
Oh.
down. You were holding it upside down, babe.
So it actually is a monkey.
It's a monkey face, but you were
Why are there
holding it
hyenas
upside
on it though?
I guess they are monkeys. Oh, there we go.
I can't
Right,
find the
yeah,
monkey
upside
though.
down.
Oh, I find
Definitely,
it.
I was holding
It's
that
literally ahead
upside
of a
down.
monkey. Yeah.
Yep, it was just upside down.
Yeah, but the hyenas are on it. I'm confused.
Can you guess the flavors though?
Hang on.
This
Okay.
is banana.
Banana and
Hang on.
Cherry?
No.
Nope.
Watermelon?
No.
Damn.
So strawberry,
Strawberry.
and cream banana.
That was strawberry. Oh.
This is banana.
Interesting.
Can you taste the cream in the cream banana? I want to try a cream banana.
Banana is really good. I was assuming it was just lemon.
I thought it was gonna
I
be
do not
green.
like artificial banana, but this is really good.
It kind of tastes like the banana flavor you get from the slushies at 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You would know that.
One more.
I'm gonna try strawberry.
This is our
Ooh,
last snack. here.
Goofy's
We're gonna
taffy.
Dip into this.
That's
What
what
kind
I'm
of
wondering.
flavors are in there?
Cinnamon.
Wait, we can guess.
Dig around in there. Yeah, dig around and grab one.
Pink flavor.
What do we got?
This is definitely watermelon.
So the orange one kind of tastes like a dreamsicle.
Ooh, that's what I was
This one, I mean, it's fine. I'm also not a huge fan of like artificial watermelon. It's like one of my least favorites.
Though the white one, I was really hoping would be coconut.
Coconut?
And it just tastes like a marshmallow.
Oh,
It was all just plain.
yeah. I think I would pass on these, just because it's just taffy.
Are we rating?
Yeah, let's
I'll,
go
like, hold it up.
best to worst.
Best.
So we all say this is the best.
That's for sure the best.
Number one.
I'm gonna put
Number
this
two.
in
I say
two.
the graham crackers are two.
I'd
Those
say
are good.
I
Those
put
are great.
the tea.
Oh, the tea. I would say
Maybe tea next to.
Like in between.
these like go together almost. Like
Yeah.
I kind of like these.
So these are like a tie, maybe?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll put it in front of it.
What do we think between
I
the
like-
monkeys and the peanuts?
I like the peanuts.
I like the
The-
peanuts more than the monkeys. Yeah.
Yeah.
The chocolate was really
What do you
good.
think, Stacey? Peanuts before the monkeys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we'll do the coins, and then taffy last.
Yeah. Actually, I'd say the taffy after the coins. Yep. There it
All right,
is.
So there's our list. Number one is the churro flavored popcorn.
This stuff's great.
As a tie for number two, we have the Wonderland tea and these delicious little graham crackers. They go hand in hand with each
They
other.
seem to go well together too.
And then next up, we got the chocolate covered peanuts, followed by the monkey not hyena gummies, and then our chocolate coins, and last we have the taffy. Overall, what do you guys think?
Overall, I'd say it was worth the price of the box.
Absolutely worth the price of the box.
Yeah.
Everything in here was
Look at all
delicious.
this stuff.
I mean, obviously some are better than others, and that's kind of up to your personal taste
Yeah.
as well. But I'm very pleased with the box overall.
Yeah, great box. Thank you.
All right, everybody, thanks for coming on this taste test and this box opening of Mickey Monthly's family-sized snack box. Well worth the money if you're considering signing up. Make sure you go to mickeymonthly.com and they'll get you guys hooked up with all sorts of different types of boxes. Thanks again for watching with us. We're going to finish up these snacks. Thanks for watching.